Hey y'all, how's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing pretty good. I just finished the journal and I thought I'd do a flip through and show her to you. And today I am going to clean my craft room, I think. I've got too much of a mess going on. But this is a flip-flop journal. She is 4 signatures. We got a little embellishment here on the corner. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. And if you would, please like and comment on this beautiful journal. So here is the cover. We have a beautiful children's vintage glove there. I sewed a button on there. We have lace behind it and 4 flat back pearls here on the corner. And we have a sari silk bow at the top. We have all this pretty lace and trims. So this is the first signature. We have a pocket inside here. Oh, before I start, this is La Parisienne Fashion Boutique kits, and for background pages I used Vintage Winter Memories kit, and this is a design team project for Doreen at Oohlala Vintage Treasures, and I will have her Etsy and her YouTube link below. You've first of all got to go buy some of her digitals because they're gorgeous and you're going to see that. But second of all, you got to check out her YouTube. Her craft room is gorgeous, shabby chic, and she comes up with the most beautifulest projects to do. So you got to check her out. So all right, now that we did that, now we can come in. We have a pocket here, and I took one of the elements from the kit and made this little booklet. We got some handmade paper in there, and then some avocado dyed paper. And I have a rose gold staple holding that. So that's nice to make notes on. I have a die of the Eiffel Tower, so we have this going on here with some pearl trim along the side. Avocado, that's coffee dyed paper. Avocado dyed paper here. Let me see, what do we got? We have a lace pocket here with this beautiful tag. There's writing on the back of all the tags. And there is some writing. I left more writing in this flip-flop journal than I usually do. We have vintage French book page. This is 2 different elements from the kit, from the ephemera kit. And we have this one that I made a window out of. Isn't that cute with the little buttons and the little lace with the flowers? It's like window boxes, isn't it? So cute. And you open it up, and we have another element from the kit and a bow in the center. Here's the center. We have some bead action going on with the Eiffel Tower. Look at these pretty stone beads. There's some pearls with the key. Gotta have a little bit of a dangle going on. Here we have a suitcase from the ephemera kit. Made a pocket out of it. That's the back side of the French page. And then she has some elements that you can make. Oops. Make into envelopes. Look at that. Put a beautiful... Now I'm drawing a complete blank. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm drawing a blank. Anyways, we have a beautiful element here. Beautiful lace. And we have a little pocket that you can stash something in. And I have that on there with a paper clip. And it's weighted down enough it probably doesn't need the paper clip. But applique, that's what I was trying to think of. This is one of the background pages from the Vintage Winters Memory Kit. And there's that. And then we have a tag here. Isn't that beautiful? Lots of writing on the back. And then we have this lace and these butterflies with pearls on there. Here's our second signature. Background page there. Oh, we have a pocket. Place for you to put something. Embossed paper and lace and one of the words from the kit. Beautiful suitcases. Isn't that beautiful? This is from my 1969 Sears catalog, which is a 1902 remake. Here's a tag here. And there it says the Sears and Roebuck. I think the other side will show the year. Here's the tag here. A lace pocket with another tag. And there's the beautiful page. This is a background page. Isn't that pretty? And there's plenty of room to write. Like I said, we have a doily here used for a little tuck spot. And there's plenty of room to write, but to also keep your mementos in. There's lots of pockets in here. That I'll probably cut shorter. Let's cut that. This is one of the background pages from the Winter's Memory Kit. Here is a tag. Got a suitcase in here. Look how pretty that is. And then you got a pocket here and a pocket here. Pretty lace. Oh, that goes there. And one of these pretty pink hearts paper clips holding that on there. This is vintage coffee dyed ledger. Here's the other side of the Sears catalog. And this gorgeous tag. Love it. Here's a lace belly band, and I made another one of these notebooks with avocado dyed paper. And there's the other side. So here we're going into the third signature. We have a lace pocket here for you to add something. And we have a lace swatch, which you can cut off pieces of the lace and do some collage in the journal as you journal. Here we have a wax seal with some ribbon, another French page, another envelope, and we have some word labels in here. Avocado dyed paper, another lace applique on there, coffee dyed, the school writing paper, another pocket with a tag, there's the center signature, there's another lace swatch with few pieces of lace. That one didn't get stapled in. And some tulle. That didn't get stapled in. Let's stick that back in there. And you can use that piece to do some collage. Here's a pretty envelope, lace, and some more word labels. And there's the back side of that. You just flip that, and then you're at the back. Very pretty. And the last signature. Some pretty lace edging here. There's a tag. I love this. Here's another Sears catalog, and if you look at the pictures, aren't they pretty? See all that? So pretty. There's a lace pocket. Another wax seal. Doily. It was a rectangle doily, so I made a little tuck. And here we have another envelope with some words. Isn't that pretty? Here we have some pearls. Beautiful ruffle lace. And here we have another one of these flip down pockets. Isn't that pretty? Got a couple of pockets in here. With some pretty elements that you can write on or use in the journal. There's the doily with the little tuck there. I love this color pink. A lace belly band. I like this tag. Pretty. I'm out of this too. Yep, totally out of this. This pearl ribbon. So pretty. And there you go. So there's the journal. I hope that you liked it. It is available. You can just message me or email me. My information is below. And you could put this bow on either side. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much, and don't forget to go check out Doreen's YouTube as well. All right, bye y'all.